Do you want to know the secret to optimize your Facebook ad campaigns and improving your ROI? Of course you do. That's why you are here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Facebook pixel on WordPress and track your conversions step by step. And let me tell you, this is going to make your workflow so much easier.
You will learn all about Facebook pixel, how to set it up on WordPress and how to test it. Finally, we will wrap things up with deep dive into Facebook pixel and how to generate and track real estate sign up leads.
By the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge you need to master conversion tracking on Facebook. My name is Hassan and I have been in digital marketing game for over 4 years. I have helped countless businesses like you grow through effective marketing strategies. And let me tell you, nothing gets me more excited than seeing a business owner turn their struggles into success. If you are a freelancer, this skill is gold. Businesses are constantly looking for experts in this field, and trust me, there is no shortage of clients to work with. If you are already familiar with conversion tracking and Facebook pixel, feel free to skip ahead to the tutorial section. First, let me ask you something. Why should you care about conversion tracking? Well, the answer is simple. It can help you make more money. Conversion tracking is like having a personal spy that tells you exactly how successful your marketing efforts are. Now that you know about conversion tracking, let's talk about Facebook pixel. What exactly it is? Simply put, Facebook pixel is a piece of code that you place on your website to track user behavior and conversions. When someone visits your website and takes action such as making a purchase, Facebook pixel captures this and sends it back to Facebook Ads Manager. This helps you track the effectiveness of your ad campaigns. Picture this, you are running a Facebook ad campaign and you have no idea what's working and what's not. But with Facebook pixel, you can identify the ads, the keywords and targeting options that are getting the most results. No more wasting money on campaigns that just don't convert. Before we dive into this tutorial, I would love your support. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you will be the first one to know about the latest tips and tricks to help grow your business. Without wasting any more time, let's dive right into Facebook Business Manager.
First thing first, make sure you have set up Facebook Business Manager and Facebook Ads account. If you haven't done so, don't worry, I will leave a link in description so you can catch up. Once you are logged into your business account, head over to your dashboard and click on Data Sources in the left side menu. From the drop-down menu, select Pixels. If it's your first time using it, your dashboard might look a bit different, no problem. Click on Add and name your pixels something you can refer to easily. For example, luxury real estate. Next, enter your domain and click Continue. Now you have got two options, install the pixel later or set it up now. Let's click Set up pixel now.
There are two ways to install Facebook pixel on your website. The first one is add code using a partner integration. This method is pretty straightforward and Facebook provides you with easy to implement steps. If you are using Shopify, Squarespace or even Google Tag Manager, this method is the best for you. However, there is an issue. Facebook gives you the option to install Pixel through a plugin, but I won't suggest that because the plugin is buggy and not optimized for WordPress updates. So let's move on to the second method. The second method is a bit more manual, but it's the one we will be following. These options give you a code snippet that you can paste on your website. It might seem daunting, but trust me, it's not as difficult as it sounds. Just follow me step by step and we will have your Facebook pixel up and running in no time.
Instead of installing the pixel from here, I have an easier way to install pixel through the second method. So for now, click on Cancel button. First, we need to add people and assets to your pixel. Think of it like building your own digital army. To do this, click on Add People. Now select yourself because you are awesome and give yourself full control of the pixel. Click Assign. Next, click on Add Assets and attach the pixel to your ad account. This is crucial step. Select your ad account and click Add, and voila, your pixel is now attached to your ad account. To make sure everything is working correctly, click on connected asset and make sure all the information is there. Now click on 3 horizontal line icons at the top and go to the event manager. Now you will see a dashboard like this. Since you might be installing Facebook Pixel for the first time, you may see a different user interface. But don't panic, just make sure to select the correct account here at the top. If you are still stuck, leave a comment and I will come to rescue. Next, place your cursor to the left and a slide bar will pop out. Click on data sources and ignore other pixels. We will click on the pixel we have just renamed Luxury Real Estate. Then click on Continue Pixel Setup. You have two options, install through Metapixel and install through Conversion API. For now, check Metapixel and click Connect. We have already discussed these two options earlier. Now click on Install Code manually. This gives you a very user-friendly process that you can easily follow. Just click on Copy Code and head over to WordPress admin dashboard. Now head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. First you should install the VP Code plugin. This will allow you to embed inside tag on your website. To do that, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in VP Code and look for plugins with the same name. VP Code, insert headers and footer. Install it and activate it. After you have installed and activated the plugin, refresh the page and find the code snippet section in the left menu bar. Click Headers and Footer. This is where we will be placing the Facebook Pixel code. Go back to Facebook, click on Copy Code and then return to WordPress. Place the code in the header box and click on Save Changes. Head back to Facebook and click Continue. Now we have the options to either enable or disable automatic advanced matching.
Now you might be wondering what advanced matching is and how it can benefit you. Well, let me break it down for you. When a website visitor performs an action on your website, such as making a purchase, Facebook Pixel records that action as an event. With advanced matching, you can send Facebook additional customer information along with event data. This customer information includes details like email addresses, phone numbers, and postal codes. Now, to protect user privacy, this customer information is first hashed before sending to Facebook. Hashing is a process that scrambles the data in a way that can't be easily reversed. This ensures that the customer information is kept secure and private. So when you enable advanced matching, Facebook receives this hashed customer information along with the event data. Ultimately, this helps you understand the impact of your ads on your website conversion, increase your custom audience size, and decrease the cost per conversion. Let's keep it enabled and click Continue. And congratulations, you have successfully installed Facebook Pixel on your website. But we are not finished yet, we got few more things to do. First, we need to add a conversion event for people who sign up. Then we will test our pixel to make sure it's working correctly. After that, we will verify the domain. Suppose you are a real estate agent trying to drive signups for your newsletter. You are running a Facebook ad campaign and want to track which ads generated the most newsletter signups. But how this conversion will happen? When someone clicks on your Facebook ad, they will land on a page where they can enter their email to sign up for a newsletter. After they have entered their email, they will be taken to a thank you page, which has a URL that ends with real estate newsletter thank you. All we have to do is to create and track online conversions for our thank you page. And the good news is, it's super easy to do with Facebook event setup tool. Let me show you how.
Let's copy the URL of your thank you page. Now head back to Facebook and click Open Event Setup tool. But before you do that, make sure to turn off any pesky ad blockers. Now enter your thank you page URL into the event setup tool. To add a lead sign up event, click on track a URL and select lead as desired event. Then click on URL equals and select contain, leaving the URL to be just real estate newsletter thank you. This way the tracking will work even if the URL contains additional elements like HTTPS or www.
Moving on, let's determine the value of each conversion. This is just for your reference calculation, so don't worry too much about it. If someone signs up for an email newsletter, how much does this lead mean to your business? It's usually calculated based on historical marketing data like customer acquisition value, customer churn rate, or customer lifetime value. But for now, let's keep it simple and select don't include value.
You are almost there, just click confirm and you are done. You will see a little notification pop up in the bottom left corner. Click finish setup and Facebook will ask you to review the event. Don't worry, just click finish setup again and you are all set. Once you have done this, every time someone clicks on your ad, enters their email or lands on the thank you page, the Facebook pixel will mark it as a conversion.
Congratulations, you have successfully set up your first conversion. Now you need to verify your domain.
Since my domain is already verified, I don't see any further steps required here. However, if your domain is not verified, you will still have an additional step to complete. Simply click continue and then click verified domain. Once you are on the verification page, click on add and then create a new domain and enter your domain name. Now you can choose any options, but personally I prefer updating the DNS text record. If you are not sure how to do this, don't worry, just contact your domain registrar's support team and ask them where to add the text record. They will be happy to guide you through the process. For this tutorial, I will show you how to update the DNS text record with Hostinger, but you can try the same steps on any platform. Click on domain at the top menu, then select your desired domain. Next, click on DNS name servers from the left menu bar, and this is where you will add your DNS record. Click on the type and choose text. Head back to Facebook and click on step 2 to copy your text value. In Hostinger, copy the value in the text box and click on add record. Now go back to Facebook and hit verify domain. It can take up to 24 to 72 hours to be verified. So if it gives you an error, just wait and try verify domain again. Once you have verified your domain, click continue. Then click go to pixel overview.
That's pretty much it. Congratulations, you have successfully verified your domain and set up Facebook pixel on WordPress. But wait, how do we know if the Facebook pixel is working properly? Don't worry, I have a solution for that too. Let's open the pages we want to test and check if the data starts showing up here.
Navigate to your website homepage and refresh the page. Then head over to newsletter sign up page and refresh that as well. Enter your email address and you will be directed to thank you page. Finally, return to Facebook pixel and refresh the page. And voila, your Facebook pixel is tracking events. If you don't see any data right away, don't panic, give it a few hours, and once the data shows up, you will see a menu option that confirms your pixel has been set up. We can double check with the retail help from our friend Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome plugin. It will show you whether your pixel has been set up properly. So for example, you can see if the page view pixel and the lead setup pixel are working on a thank you page. Refresh the page and you can see the page view and lead event have been recorded by Facebook Pixel.
Congratulations, you have made it to the end of this tutorial. I hope you are feeling like a digital marketing pro now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'm always happy to help. And hey, if you are not up for handling all this technical stuff yourself, no worries. Whether you're using WordPress, Wix, or even running an e-commerce store on Shopify, my team and I can set up conversion tracking and run ad campaigns for you. So you can sit back, relax, and let us handle the heavy lifting. Book a free consultation and get in touch with us. I will also put the link in the description for you. So what's next? Well, I have a confession to make. This video is just the tip of iceberg when it comes to conversion tracking. There is so much more to learn and I'm excited to share it with you in my upcoming videos about digital marketing. So stay tuned. If you also want to set up a Pinterest tag for business, don't worry, I got you covered. Check out my video for a step-by-step tutorial. I will put the link in the description for you. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, follow and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tips and tricks. That's all for now and I will catch you soon in the next one.